Hi, good afternoon. This is Neil with Simple Futures, and this is Monday, the 24th of October, kicking off the last full week of October. And it will likely be a busy one. There are a number of majors reporting this week, the likes of Apple and Amazon and Google, and the list just goes on, but all of the big ones. And so that ought to be pretty interesting. And let's see if we can figure out where we are with regard to the instrument that we generally look at here for this the Monday kind of get the week started market update, and that is the S&P broad market look here. And what we're looking at here is a daily chart, okay? And last week we were looking up bullish and looking into targets that were right here at 86 and 94, and the reason for that is important. The reason for that is we were targeting the balance of this 3-day island, this Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday island up here. And so let's take a step back here and look for a second. You see one little body of trade right here that goes about September 23rd through the 3rd of October, and then the 3-day island, and then another block of trade down here. Now what I've done is I've taken, now that we're back up into the top here, what I've done is I've taken all of that trade, that is everything from 9/23 all the way to present, and profiled it. And the point of control for that, the balance and over under for that is 36.90, like 1 or 2. 36.90, call it 1 or something. So that is clearly the bearish target, okay? Now, in addition, what I've done is, since we're now pressing the top of this, threatening to potentially leave this entire body or block of trade, then I want to know what would it be looking for on the up. And so I went back here and I see the next little block or body of trade here is this one that is the 16th of September through the 21st, profiled it and found its balance to be at about 72. That's 38.72. So 38.72 on the top is going to be the bull target, and 36.90 is the bear target. The weekly open is the over under, laying long above, short below. Currently, we've opened and maintained levels above, trading into the top of, as of right now today, it's early, it's 2 o'clock, but I've got appointments this afternoon, so I won't be here for the close. But as it stands right this minute, we're threatening the top of this entire block. That's about 38.25-ish or something, all the way down to the 3,500 low. So let's look up here to 38.70, call it 2, target up there. Now if, and I'll give you a secondary target in the event that things get a little more interesting than what I would currently anticipate. Should that end up somehow being the case, then the next bull target on the top up here would be 39.11. So you got 38.72 and maybe a backup up there at 39. It seems a little much, but you need to know it's there anyway. And that would be maybe it's outside the expected move for the week also too, by the way, at 39.11. But we can't rule it out, right? It certainly could happen. Check quant levels for the week to see if we have some confluence, and it looks like we do reasonably in the very much pretty darn close to the 70s that I just gave you. And then again, this one, the second level is a little extended, honestly. It's up there on those 39.11s, but it's a little much. I see their probability of touch H2 is about 24%, and then close up there is 12.9, 13%, and that's over a period of 62 weeks analyzed. So it's lesser likely that high, but that's what we got to get started for this week. And hope it does help you guys. Good trading, and we'll take it one day at a time. Look, if we get up into levels up here and it starts to throw some sell signals, like it looks like we're getting some topping action that's excess on the top, then we'll start planning for the next leg that frankly I would like to see. I won't kid you. I mean, that's what I would like to see, but we'll take it one day at a time, right? If we get up here and get some sell signals, then I'll be looking a lot lower. So that's where I'm going to leave it for today, Monday, October 24th. Hope this helps. Good trade. Nice evening. Look forward to being with you again next update. Good night.
Without simpler trading, I could not have financial independence.
This is one of the best investments I ever made in my life.
It's helping me find consistency.
It's one of the things that won me